Hi, it's me again with Corel Dog Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you two different ways to make a wavy line. The first one, probably the most common, is just take a 2-point line and make you some pyramids. And this way, they're going to be less symmetrical. Now, it's all one piece, but if we go up to windows, dockers, and corners, and we set it on like 2 inches, we get those wavy lines. That's really too. Let's go 1.5. You get that. Now, that's how normally I do it. But if I want it symmetrical like this, I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to get the distort tool and I'm going to, well, you don't really want to select it like that, but I'm going to go right here and add, like, you see it added a node, and then it's adding more nodes. And then you go right here and we can type in like 50 and it does that. Now I could add more lines. And then you go right here to smooth distortion. And look at that. I mean, that almost copied that other one I'd made early perfectly. So it's a different look. Both of them have good, one thing you can do with this, we could turn this to a 90-degree angle, Control D and make a duplicate and mirror that. Of course, they're not touching, but if we bring this in a little bit where they're touching, take the Smart Fill tool and you've made a shape like that. Anyway, two different ways to do that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.